In this video I will show you how to shorten a Google Form link very easily. So what we will do, we will open our Google Form, and after that normally we would click on this link. So on this option, the copy responder link. Click on that, and as you can see, if we copy the link and paste it in another tab, it will be very long, but we would like to shorten it. So the next step will be go back to the form, click again on the copy responder link, and then click on shorten URL. And as you can see, it will be automatically shortened very easily. So now once we copy this link and then go back to the new tab, delete the old one, then you'll see that this is the shortened link for your Google Forms to share. So it's more professional if you use the shortened link. And that is how you shorten a Google Forms link very easily. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!